Hey crew members, this is Laura. Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew in this edition of Try It Tuesday. So I ordered a Tumbling Box Shredder. It is a shredder, cutter, slicer, grater, and lots of reasons for this. Health, is one. Of course, I've got kids. Convenience. I have myasthenia gravis, so sometimes trying to chop things makes things really difficult. And we've been doing a lot of convenience foods here lately because I've had some rough MG days. So we've got this, and I'm going to give it a try out, and we're going to see how it works and see how well it does. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to follow the instructions here. We've got our handle, our feeding jar, our 3 slicing drums, our section base, and our food pusher. Alright, so we've got our food pusher. So let's, I guess the first thing we want to do is lock this down so it doesn't move. Okay. It doesn't move. So it's install the feeding jar to the base. So I am going to say it goes like this. And it's got a little clip there. We've got a release button. Alright, so that's going to release that. That's good. Alright, let's put a slicing drum. Oh, it moved. Like this. And then we're going to put our handle. Let's see. Match the right direction of the handle and the end of the drum. Insert the handle until you hear a click. Okay. Right, so we've got these little notches here. And inside the handle, there's a little blue notch there. So I'm assuming that those want to go there. Alright, I'm hoping everything's not this hard. I think it's just a matter of learning how to do it. So click. Ha 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 ha! Look at there. It's got a little button here. Alright, so that worked. Yay. I've got a cucumber, and I've got some squash and zucchini. Now we're going to see what we can do with some of this. So I'm going to cut the ends off because I just don't really care for the ends. And then it says to put it here. Check that out. Nice thin slices. All right. Okay, that's not too bad. I think I'm pleased. They're nice thin slices. These will be really great, I think, on a salad or just to eat. I personally like cucumber just to eat. as a snack. Low fat, low cholesterol. Win-win situation for me. All right, so let's try something else now. And we're going to set the slicer drum aside. Kind of clean some of this out. Let's see. What do you think? Should we do this one? Let's do this one. Let's move my cucumbers off to the side. We're going to remember this time to press the button. And I did wash this, and it made it through the dishwasher beautifully. Let's try locking it back down again. Alright, let's try zucchini. Now, I think it's hilarious. My oldest son, he likes zucchini just to eat it raw. Go figure. Oh. Okay, the section base is not that great. It's kind of moving on me. Lost a little bit of the peeling there, but that's okay too. Let's get rid of that end. We just put that right in there and keep going. Note to self. Earlier in the day might be better for me. I may have to talk to my husband about that section base, see if he can help me, but I am liking that. Do you know how long that would have taken me to do? I would have been worn out and wouldn't be able to fix anything else. Let's try the little pusher. All right. Well, I kind of like that. I'm going to go ahead and do up one of my zucchini with this blade before I change out blades. Let's just put this in here. We're not going to do anything fancy with this. I'm just going to put in just a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and maybe some crushed up cracker or breadcrumbs. And maybe it's this table. Maybe this would do better on my kitchen counter. And I would be up there, except I homeschool, and my children are doing some schoolwork out in the kitchen, and I do not want to distract them. Okay, that's nice. I like this. So let's finish this up. And I'm going to try the other drum, just to kind of see what it looks like, what it does. So far so good though, I think. Except for the section. But I'll tell you, if that's the worst thing that I have to go through, I think I'll be alright. Oh, hey, look at that. You know, I may have to make some rice in the microwave and throw it this, because that's a real easy thing for me to do. Alright, so let's change drums. Alright. I'm having fun. This is cool. Okay, I have to tell y'all a story. This is hilarious. My husband's going to not be happy with me. We were dating. And he'd been married before. He had 2 kids. And I had gone over to his apartment. And I was watching the girls after school. And I was fixing some dinner. And it was, baked chicken. And I used my steamer to steam some vegetables. Broccoli and carrots and stuff. And I had gone out of the room. And I was coming back and I overheard his oldest daughter asked if they had to eat it. This stuff. And my husband, Crazy Dave, he said something to the effect that I fix things he doesn't like, but he still chokes it down. 18 years of marriage. And no, he has not lived that down. I still make him choke it down. And usually it's things like this that's a vegetable. Because I like the vegetables. So I'm sure he's just going to be tickled pink when he sees this with dinner tonight. I love my slow cooker because I can get things and I can go ahead and get it in the, get it going in the morning while I'm fresh and energetic, and there's not a lot of prep in the afternoon. All right, now this is the fine one. This would be great for some like hard Parmesan cheese or some fresh cheese. So I may have to try that. All right, but y'all get the gist. I'm pleased. Like I said, I think this table's got like some grainy on it. So I'll bet this will hold better on my kitchen counter. But I tell you what, I get this out of the oven, I will test it up there, and then I will let you know. Can't get the rest of that. All right. Well, I'm pleased. The yellow squash did not do as well in this. Maybe too much moisture, I guess. But the zucchini squash did great. I bet carrots would do awesome. I said some hard cheese would be good. So I am pleased. So I've already got some shredded carrots upstairs. We'll get that. And put in with this. And just kind of mix it all up. Maybe even slice up some tomato to put on. Tomato is a superfood. So, sweet potatoes in the oven. Again, nice and easy for me. Still healthy. A pork roast in the slow cooker. Nice and easy. Little effort. and then a vegetable casserole. And for me to have filled up this pan with vegetables would have taken me forever and worn me out. So far, so good. Let's go put this in the oven, and I'll be back in a minute. And there is my vegetable goulash. Really good. I love all the little pieces of vegetable, the tomato. This was really good. Very happy. And yes, it did lock down much better on my counter and my table. So I think this is a 2 thumbs up. Hope you all have enjoyed this edition of Try It Tuesday, and don't forget to come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. See you next time.